Okay, so I am showing you guys some goo that I made. It was like on Google. I Googled how to make slime or goo or something like that. And it says you have to make it with Dawn dishwash soap or whatever one you have. And some salt. It doesn't matter which salt, what brand, like the Morn, whatever. Salt with the lady with the umbrella. It doesn't matter which salt it is, it just has to be salt. And if you want to, you can use Dawn, go to the store or whatever, grocery store. But I prefer to go to a grocery store. If not, just use some other type of glue. I mean, glue. Soap or dishwash soap. If it doesn't work, then just buy the Dawn one. And I made my slime with Dawn soap and salt because they told me to make that. And right now I'm gonna show you it. So yeah, and then I'll give you a closer look. So I'm gonna zoom it in so you guys can see a little bit more. Oh, since when has a little curiosity caused any trouble? Okay, so it looks like that for right now. I've been checking it up on it, and it really looks like slime, but blue slime. And it's like really getting that thickness, and it's really like coming good. He built this recharge chamber. Said it would give him a boost of energy when he was inventing. So it's becoming really good. So if you guys do this experiment, subscribe if you guys do it. If you guys don't, just subscribe below. And please get it to like 1,000 likes. If you guys get it to 1,000 likes, I will subscribe you. And the ones who like are gonna do this experiment, please tell me what should I do next. If it's a challenge or a experiment or a prank or something, then comment below. And also, you can also comment what should I talk about, like facts about myself or something like that. But anyways, yeah. So I wanted to show you guys this goo that, I mean, whatever you guys want to call it, slime or goo, it doesn't matter what you guys want to call it, but I'm going to call it slime or goo, whatever. So I would just say goo, so yeah. It's, you see that thickness right there? I mean, you guys really can't see it really good, but and you can put it in a plastic bowl. So I'll tell you what you guys should get ready. A little plastic container or a bowl just like this, something small, not big. But if you can't find anything small, I prefer something big then. So then get like a bag or something. And if your parents don't allow you, this is what I did. And my parents, I didn't really say anything about it. I just snuck it in a brown bag so she wouldn't see. She wasn't paying. So get some salt and get some dishwash soap. But what I did was I did the dishwash soap first, and then I put the salt in, and then I started mixing it and shaking it all around, and it's becoming really good. You can't really see the salt because it's like in there. Let me see if I feel the snot. So I mean the salt. Actually, you can't feel it because it's mixed in there, and it feels like real glue. It smells like salt though. So let me go get this tissue.
It's so freaky. Julia, I think we may.
Okay, so let me sit you guys somewhere.
How did this happen? It's like explosions.
I'll put you guys right here.
Am I still Regina? Or am I Jennifer? I can smell everything. Welcome to the wonderful world of werewolf noses. Of all the ghouls.
So I put it in a little big plastic bag.
Huh. Just lucky, I guess.
So I'm gonna put it right
It's out.
there.
I am still the queen of this body. You're just visiting.
Okay. So I hope you guys saw what I just did, what I put in a plastic bag. I hope I put you guys in the right set.
I'm sure it can get us out. Somebody's
So
just gonna have to fix it.
I'm sorry I'm paying attention to the movie and not you guys, but I'm watching like Monster High. Monster High is like my favorite. It's like I even asked my mom for a Monster High birthday. I don't think I'm gonna have it this year because I'm about to turn 10, and I think I'm like pretty too old for that. But I'm not gonna have a Monster High birthday, but I like Monster High. I want an emoji party, but my friend Samara, she's having one, and my other friend Maya, she's having one. So I'm not gonna do an emoji party, but like what? I'm like, that's my emoji. Like, y'all just I'm like, whatever, forget it. Just have another theme. So yes. And by the way, I'm 9. Wait, yeah. And action. Okay, well, I'll see you guys when I get to my next video. Remember when I told you guys in my other video that I'm gonna make 5? So I have the wait. So this is the 4th one, and the other one's gonna be my last one. So yes. And in I told you guys my Musical.ly in my other video, but I don't know if you guys saw it or not. So I'm just gonna give you guys. I'm gonna give you it again. So yeah, I'm gonna give you it again. My Musical.ly is CuteLexi0406, and it is not private. It is not a private account. So you can just hit that bell and follow me and like my videos and do a duet with me. Please like my video. That'd be really good if you did. And again, subscribe below.
That would be our teacher, Mr. Ware.
So yeah. Well, I'm about to go, you guys. Bye.